This is carrot, an excellent source of fiber, minerals, and beta-carotene, a good precursor for vitamin A in the body. Carrots are also considered to be non-starchy vegetable. The aim of this video was to use my microtome for the first time, and carrot just happens to be the best sample for this. But in the process, I was surprised by what I saw in the carrot. The microtome is a device that can be used to slice material as thinly as possible when preparing specimen to be viewed under the microscope. The sliced carrot is then placed inside the microtome and the height is adjusted by the screw handle. I viewed it thin sliced carrot under the microscope after I was able to get a thin layer. This is carrot under the microscope. The fiber you're looking at is from a kitchen tissue used to dry the surface so that light will be able to penetrate easily. I then put a few drops of iodine solution on the specimen. This changed the color of the material and dark bodies were visible, suggesting the presence of starch. To confirm this, I then prepare another sample. This time I left it in iodine vapor and I still get the distinct blue-black coloration for the presence of starch, which seems to be densely populated in specific regions.